Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So by recent activity on the GoPro website and on their YouTube channel and social media, it appears that GoPro perhaps might be launching a new camera. Now historically, GoPro always releases their updated action camera in the fall, usually mid to late September, sometimes early October. But according to GoPro themselves, they are writing their next generation camera that could be released in Q2. So we're looking at anywhere from April, May, or June. Now this isn't coming from a random leak on the internet. GoPro published an article on their website a couple weeks ago talking about, they were introducing, I should say, their brand new chipset, the GP3. And from what it looks like, it's going to be quite the impressive chip. Now I'm not going to get into all the details. You can go to the article and read about it. I'll include a link to it down in the description of this video. It's a 5 nanometer chip, and GoPro claims that it has 2 times the pixel processing. They also state that this new chip is expected to lead the competition when it comes to resolution, frame rate, low light performance, and thermal performance. Competition is great. When one company starts to push the boundaries, it kind of forces everybody to follow suit. The competition has no choice but to at least match their product and of course push the boundaries themselves, trying to get the edge. Now really in this article there was 2 points that I found really interesting. One was that we are going to perhaps get an early release date as mentioned in Q2, but the other point was that they brought up some other information about potential new cameras. They talk about the GP3 powering their next generation cameras, including 360 cameras, action cameras, vlogging cameras, which is kind of interesting. And they also talk about an ultra premium compact cinema grade camera. So again, that's going to be very interesting to see what they do there. Now on top of this article that GoPro posted a couple weeks ago, just the other day they posted a little bit of a teaser on their YouTube channel, supposedly video that was captured with the new GP3 chip. Really short little video, but some really excellent video quality. For myself and my channel, I tend not to use my GoPros as much as I have in the past. I still use them, but they have been kind of pushed to the side by companies like DJI and Insta360. So hopefully with this new chipset, that could definitely position GoPro to be the leader of the pack again. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. I would love to hear your thoughts on the new potential GoPro with the GP3 chip. Let me know down in the comments. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.